transmitted at the request of the Arkansas State Police. An Amber Alert has been issued for Caleb Johnson, a black male born on November 13, 2017. He is of unknown heights and weighs 35 pounds. He has black hair and brown eyes. He went missing on August 29, 2022 at 8:50 a.m. He was last seen in West Memphis, which is in Crittenden County. He may be traveling with Skilla Alexis Biles, a black female. The suspect is 5 feet 3 inches tall with red dreadlocks and brown eyes. They may be traveling in a white 2020 Jeep Cherokee with Arkansas license plate AAR74T. If located, please call the West Memphis Police Department at 870-735-1210.